Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. How beautiful is this? This is a Mulberry Iris wallet on chain and it is spectacular. It's in excellent condition. It's so beautiful and pristine, and that colour, it's a sort of lilac-y colour, lilac-y purple with a pinky tone to it. It looks fantastic with the gold hardware. It's just elegant, gorgeous, beautiful, yummy, all of those nice words. That is what this is. So it has got, of course, the long chain strap. Now this is not removable, but you can tuck it inside and have it as a clutch if you wanted to keep it as like a little handheld bag. We've got the little iris sort of feature on the front, Mulberry on the front as well, and it's a zip closure. It's got this fantastic zip pull, which is so clever. It really adds to the kind of beauty and the aesthetics of the bag, but also it means it's really easy to grab and actually open. So it has got, of course, a lovely little mulberry bit on there as well. Let's move that and open this. And what is super clever, the zip starts here, but it goes all the way around to the bottom, which means you haven't just got this tiny little piece to kind of try and work with. The bag actually opens, you can actually use it. It's like a really actually usable wallet on chain. It has, of course, got these gussets on it, so nothing's going to fall out the side, so you don't need to worry about that. So this is what you're looking at inside. So it's leather, apart from the central pocket, which is fabric. So we'll start here at the back. You've got that main section there, and then there's six card slots. Then you've got this central pocket, and that's the one that inside is not leather, that's fabric. The rest is leather. So then you've got this section here, and it's got this kind of flat pocket there, which I suggest is for notes. And inside there, actually, is fabric as well. The rest of it is beautiful, beautiful, soft leather. So size-wise, let's come back and show you. I am 5'4". I am a UK size 10. I'm going to put it on so you get an idea when it's on. The exact measurements are on the website, and there's a link to that if you go to the description below. The link will take you straight to this on the website. If the link takes you to the generic product page, it means that the bag has sold. I'm really sorry about that. If you are particularly after an Iris wallet on chain, email us and let us know, and we'll put you on our request list and let you know next time we have one in. Let's show you what it comes with. It basically comes with the Mulberry dust bag, and I'll read you what it says in the back. This care bag has been made with sustainably sourced cotton. The pull cord has been crafted with 100% recycled materials. So most of the brands now are actually getting on board, which is fantastic. Condition of this piece. Remember, if you're a bag lover, subscribe to the channel. When you hit the bell, make sure your alerts are turned on. Condition of this piece is excellent throughout. I can't see any sign of it being used at all. I think it's literally been bought and put to one side. So the exterior is excellent. The interior is excellent. The hardware is excellent. It is, as I said at the beginning, spectacular. Super, super pretty. So the link to shop it is below. Like I said, take you straight there. I mentioned the request list. If there's anything that you were looking for on the pre-owned market, email us, let us know, we'll put you on the request list. And it might be specifics, like you want a Mulberry Iris wallet on chain, or maybe a Chanel wallet on chain, or maybe it's just any brands. Maybe there are brands that you love, so maybe, I don't know, you want to say, email me for any Louis Vuitton, or I don't know, any Alexander McQueen, I don't know, whatever it is. You can go on there for as many things as you want. So you just need to email us, let us know, we'll put you on and then give you a heads up when it comes in. So to get the email address, if you use the link in the comments below, in the description below rather, to get onto the website, and then once you're on the website, you can do all the things you want to do. There's a contact us page, so that's what you can use to fill out to let us know anything you want to go on the request list for. There's also on there a how to sell with us page. If you have Armcandy that you want to sell, we have got excellent commission rates. They're on the how to sell with us page. So use the link to get on, find how to sell with us, have a look at that and see how easy it is to sell with us. And I think that's everything I need to say. Before you use the link below, obviously give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, but then go and check out, oh, that's what I forgot to say, discount code. If you've not yet signed up to get your first purchase discount code, go and do that. Again, use that link, get on the website. And then you scroll to the bottom of any page, and there's a box, you put your email address in, and we send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. Even if that isn't going to be your first purchase, go and get your discount code ready, so you're good to go when that green bag comes in. It should take about 20 seconds for you to do, and your code comes through immediately. So if you don't get the code in your inbox in a couple of minutes, check the spam folder because it's probably gone in there. And I think that really is everything. Have a wonderful day. See you later. There is some gorgeous Armcandy coming up. Stay tuned.